Mexican paneer open toasts. Let's make it. Mix paneer, bell peppers, red chili powder, salt, fresh cream. Mix well and keep aside. Take oil in a pan and add garlic, green chilies, ginger garlic paste and saute for 1 minute. Then add onions and saute again. Add colourful bell peppers and saute. Now we'll add tomatoes and salt and cook till the tomatoes soften. Add boiled kidney beans, water and mash it well till all combines. Add tomato ketchup, red chili powder, black pepper powder, oregano, chili flakes, garam masala and cook for 2 more minutes. Refried beans is ready. Take bread of your choice and spread butter, prepared refried beans, mozzarella cheese, paneer mixture and oregano. Bake or air fry till the bread is crisp and the cheese melts. Super delicious and cheesy Mexican paneer open toast is ready. Do try and follow me for more such cheesy recipes.